mga bakla, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gigi, and today we have another makeup tutorial and I'm gonna share with you guys my daily makeup routine. So, ito yung makeup ko every day except the lashes and the gloss. I just wanna be extra tonight, guys. Sorry. So mga bakla, if you wanna know how I did this look, then keep on watching. Ayun na nga mga bakla, welcome back sa aking channel. At gusto yan, may bago tayong intro. Very nanlalaban and I like it. I just want to say thank you so much for making my intro and outro and of course my watermark. Ayan, very nanlalaban. Thank you so much Streetworkz for making my new intro. Oh my god, sobrang ganda, diba? Kaya sobrang na-inspire ako mag-film today. So, thank you again. So, if you're looking for a logo creator, video editor, or any editing stuff, I will be putting their information in the description box. So, make sure to check them out. And, yun lang. So, again, oh my god, thank you guys so much for making my intro. Yeah! So, let's start with the makeup tutorial. Again, this is my everyday makeup look. If I wanna be, you know, so extra for the day, ito yung look na ginagawa ko. And at the same time, even though it's quarantine, we are still on quarantine, you can still do this, you know, if you wanna look good. Mag-makeup kayo, mga vakla, why not, diba? So, let's start. First, gagawin ko ay magto-toner lang ako ng face. I already washed my face. Nakaligo ko lang. So, I'm gonna be using this toner. This is not from Miniso, but this is from Beauty Trends na toner, the clay pore toner. I just transfer it on this bottle because the bottle looks so cute. Ayan, may pump siya. So, kuha ka lang ng cotton and then just pump it. And then you'll get the product. Diba? Toner lang tayo. So, it's been a while since nakapag-makeup tutorial tayo. Last makeup tutorial ko, Diyos ko. Pasko pa. Sabi yung init ngayon, mga bakla, nakakaloka, I swear. Whew! Ang init. So, dahil mainit nga, it's also important for us to stay hydrated as well as our skin. So, mag-moisturize tayo. So, I'll be using the I White Korea Aqua Moisturizer. Kasi meron sila, di ba, yung whitening ineso. So, kung hindi mo bet ng whitening, gusto mo lang glowing ka. Parang gusto ka ng bet mo, nag-glow ka. Parang, masikyat, ganun. So, ayan na nga mga bakla. Tapos na tayo mag-moisturizer. So, of course, even though we're not going out, but it's also important for you to use sunscreen. So, most of the time, ginagamit ko is this Biore na UV Bright Milk na sunscreen. But since hindi naman nakalalabas, I'm just gonna skip that part. Plus, I just realized na I don't have primer na. But mostly, yung ginagamit ko primer. Again, the Quick FX na No Shine Mattifier. So, ayan. Hindi ako makalabas kaya hindi ako makabili. Anyways, I'm just gonna be doing my brows off camera and then I'll be right back mga bakla. Ayun na nga mga bakla. So we're done with our brows and I'm so sorry. Mind you guys, my brows, medyo nag-inard sila tonight and ayoko na makipag-away. So they're pretty uneven right now. So, okay, that's fine. Kung ayaw na lang kasama, go ahead, do your own thing. Magmaganda kayo dyan. So, I'm gonna color correct my face using this LA Girl Pro Concealer na color corrector. This is in the shade Orange Corrector. So, I'm just gonna be putting that on my 3 o'clock shadow under my eye. Hindi pala ako napag-alcohol kanina, but mag-alcohol tayo. Let's be safe at gusto lang natin maging safe. I'm just gonna blend it using my fingers. I'm gonna be using this concealer part from here. This is from Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB Cream and Concealer in one. Sometimes I'm using the concealer actually. I mean the BB cream. Sometimes I'm using this sa office And it only lasts me like 2 to 3 hours. And then wala na siya. So if I don't want to wear like very, very high makeup or too much makeup, I'm using this. But for today's makeup look, I will be using the concealer part. If you can see, I'm almost running out of it. But let's use a concealer brush. Most of the time, gusto ko talaga mag-blend with sponge. But today, I can't find my beauty sponge. Kasi I think nasa labahan. I mean, kakahugas ka lang ng sponge ko. Kaya, she ain't available right now, bitch. But, now let's just use this brush. Kasi, carry pa naman din siya. So, ayan na mga vakla. So, na-blend ko na yung concealer ko. First layer ng concealer. So, second one, I will be using this super stick, full coverage concealer ng Maybelline. And then, since this is a little bit light for my skin tone, I'll be using that on my under eye. Para lang ma-brighten up niya ng bonggang-bongga ang ating face. I'm just using that on the highlight on my face. So, i-blend ko lang tong concealer na to. And then, I will be like that. As you can see mga vakla, hindi talaga ako masyadong naglalagay ng makeup product kasi nga sobrang init ng panahon today. But at the same time, I'm just focusing on the things that I need to perfect or that needs focus. So, nilalagyan ko lang yung under eye, yung beard area, and at the same time, some dark spots on face ko. And before I set everything with the powder, what I'm doing is I'm also putting my first layer of blush on. And so for the blush, or for the first layer of the blush na gagamitin ko, I'm gonna be using this Careline Multi-Pot in the shade Head Over Heels. And this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna get like one swipe. Tapos blend nyo lang. I'm using my fingers kasi ewan ko, feeling ko mas madali siyang ma-build up yung product kapag fingers yung gagamitin. And this product is really good mga vakla because you can use this as an eyeshadow, you can also use this as a blush or as a lip color. As you can see, para na tayong laseng at mukhang siyangabal. But that's fine. Isa-set lang natin siya with the powder. And so the powder that I will be using mga vakla is this Pond's Magic Powder na beauty powder. This is the powder that I'm using every day or on a daily basis. Realize ko lang siya last time na parang kagaling ko lang ata sa adjustment ng braces ko. Tapos, I check myself on the mirror and then parang mag-glowing yung face ko. Parang ako nagsishine. Alam niyo yun, mga baka. Parang, ganon. Parang kang may glowy dewiness na ganap dyan. Ang binibake ko lang yung under eye. So, I'm just taking a very good fluffy brush. Tapos, pinapress ko lang siya. You can also use a sponge for this. Para lang mag-settle yung product. I'm just focusing on the part where I put the concealer. Of course, we also want to look, maliit ang face, gamonggo. Para alam yun, very babaihan pa rin yung look natin. So, gagamit ako ng contour or magko-contour tayo. So, I will be using my favorite contour, which is the Vice Cosmetics Our Contour in the shade Confirm. So, I'm just focusing on the side of my face. Hindi ko siya masyadong ginagana. Kasi payat na yung face ko. So, I don't can emphasize my cheekbones that much. Tapos, for the eyes, I want to make sure that your eyes is big. Para mulat na mulat ka sa katatahalang niloloko ka lang niya. Char. So, what I'm using is this palette from Vice, the BT21 eyeshadow palette, which is the BT21 Universe. And I'm using the shade here, yung black. And an angled brush. This is a broken angled brush, a Marinade brow brush. Natanggal yung spoolie, but I'm still using this to tighten my waterline. I mean, yung taas na waterline, I'm using that to pang super volume yung lashes natin. Kasi hindi ako pinagpala sa lashes mga bakla. So, very, ganun lang yung lashes ko. So I'm using that to tighten my upper waterline. Diba, mga vakla, see the difference? Yung wala, tapos yung meron. So we're done with the waterline. You can also use a black eyeliner so that it will be easier for you. So ayan, magmamascara lang tayo. So I'm gonna be using the Better Than Basic Caroline Mascara. Mascara na nga tayo mga bakla. We're almost done with the makeup tutorial actually. So if you wanna be extra, you can also put eyelashes, which what I'm gonna do today because girl, who wants to be extra? Me? I wanna be extra on this quarantine, girl. That's why I'm gonna be putting my lashes. Extra tonight, I did put false eyelashes. Why not? We wanna look cute. Ganon. Nakakatawa lang isipan for those people na they are putting certain effort so that they can look good. Diba? Wala namang masama pag, you know, minamahal mo yung sarili mo. If you wanna look good, if you wanna look, you know, fresh at masikip, why not go for it, mga bakla? Dahil mas sa mga bashers at sa mga nega dyan. Because, in the end of the day, it's you. And again, always be yourself. Sinasabi ko nga sa channel ko because that's what I'm promoting here. I want to make sure that every people out there are comfortable on what they wear, on their makeup, on their outfit. Kasi, if that will make you feel good, if that will make you feel better, and makes you feel prettier, go for it! Most of the time, I stop on this makeup look because I'm really happy for it. I'm just putting another pigment. So again, I'm using or I'm getting my Varis Aura blush in the shade Yukon. This is my favorite blush ever of all time. Nagbablush tayo. Para kahit hindi natin nakita yung crush natin, blush tayo. Ganon. So, Rudolph yung peg mo dyan. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So, again, for the lips, I'm using Sephora HD Matte Lip Tint in the shade Seductress. Actually, I got this from Pia, which is my friend. I don't know where she got this. Kasi parang isang agent din na nagtitinda nito and nagpapa-order. I got it for only 150 pesos or 120. This is so good. This is matte and it's dark. It says the Tony Moly Lip Tint or the Light Tony Tint. Ayan siya. I also discovered this Caroline na stain gloss. That's why super ginagamit ko siya every look. Kasi sobrang ganda niya. I'm into glossy looks most of the time. So, ayan na nga mga vakla, we're almost done. Actually, sobrang done na itong makeup look na to. Kasi sometimes, hindi naman ako nag-highlight eh. But, for the sake of this video, kasi again, we wanna look extra nga. I'm gonna be using a highlighter. This is the Caroline Diamond Dream Highlighter in the shade Front Seat. Ayan siya. Highlight na tayo mga bakla. Glowing na tayo. Gusto niyo yan? So, ayan na nga mga bakla. We're done. So, that's it mga bakla. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang ating mini makeup tutorial na ginawa today. Please give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on all my social medias. Links will be put down in the description box or right here. Again, follow niyo ako sa Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat, and TikTok. Everything is at Gigi Ariola. And at the same time, again, thank you very much to Streetworkz for making or for doing my new intro and outro. And again, ang aking watermark, which is right here. For graphic design, logo making, or if you're looking for editor or something for restaurant or for your businesses, make sure to contact Streetworkz. I'll be putting their link of Facebook account on the description box, so make sure to check them out. So thank you again. Subscribe on my channel for more. Click the notification bell for you to get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And that's it mga bakla. Again, remember, always be yourself. Bye!